Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting adventure lined up for you. Today we're diving into the vibrant and historic city of Berlin, Germany. This city is a melting pot of culture, history, and modernity. If you love history, good beer, and unforgettable experiences, stick around. Berlin has something for everyone, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking to explore a new city. First, let's talk about getting around. Berlin's public transportation system is one of the best in the world. Berlin's hop-on, hop-off bus tours are a must. These buses are not only convenient, but also provide a fantastic overview of the city's major attractions. They're super convenient and hit all the major spots. You can hop off at any location that catches your interest, like taking a picture with one of the many bears around the city, and hop back on when you're ready to continue your journey. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. It's a great way to get a feel for the city and see as much as possible in a short amount of time. It's a lot of fun too. Have fun while touring Berlin. It's a city bursting with color and humor. Every corner you turn, there's a story waiting to be discovered. Start your journey at the iconic Brandenburg Gate. This monumental gate has stood the test of time and witnessed many of the city's historical events. It's a symbol of peace and unity and a great spot for those Instagram photos. Make sure to snap a picture here to capture the essence of Berlin. Next, head over to the Berlin Wall Memorial. This site is a poignant reminder of the city's divided past and the resilience of its people. It's a moving tribute to the city's divided past. Walking along the remnants of the wall, you can almost feel the weight of history. Walk along the East Side Gallery to see what's left of the wall, now covered in incredible murals by artists from around the globe. Each mural tells a unique story and adds a splash of color to the city's history. Feeling hungry yet? Check out the many restaurants and food stands that offer the best currywurst in Berlin. This iconic street food is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. If you're into something a bit more upscale, try out Lokal. Their modern twist on traditional German dishes will blow your mind. The flavors are both familiar and innovative, making for a memorable dining experience. Now let's talk beer. Berlin has an amazing craft beer scene. Whether you're a beer connoisseur or just looking to try something new, you'll find plenty of options here. Make sure to stop by Bierello Brewhouse. This brewery is known for its innovative brews and vibrant atmosphere. They've got a fantastic selection of brews, all made right here in Berlin. Each sip is a taste of the city's creativity and passion for beer. And if you're visiting in late September to early October, you're in luck. Oktoberfest in Berlin is an experience like no other. The city comes alive with beer tents, traditional music, and endless fun. It's a celebration of German culture and a great way to meet new people. But Berlin isn't just about history and beer. The city is also a modern hub for business and innovation. The city is constantly evolving, with new startups and tech companies setting up shop. Check out the Potsdamer Platz, a bustling area filled with shops, restaurants, and cutting-edge architecture. It's a great place to see the city's modern side. It's a perfect blend of the old and the new. The juxtaposition of historical buildings and modern architecture is truly fascinating. For a breathtaking view of the city, head up to the Berlin TV Tower. This iconic structure offers a panoramic view of Berlin. You'll get a 360-degree view that's absolutely stunning. It's the perfect way to see the city from a different perspective. And if you're into museums, the Museum Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site packed with world-class museums. You can spend an entire day exploring the art, history, and culture housed in these incredible institutions. All right, folks, if you're ready to pack your bags and head to Berlin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. We have so many more exciting destinations to share with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. Safe travels, everyone.